The idea number 6 made me earn more than 5 figures a month. Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you the best 9 small business ideas that you can start in 2021 and in the next few years. Let's start with the idea number 1, that it start a YouTube channel. This right here, what you are watching, it's a YouTube channel, and you can do the same. You can start your YouTube channel around a topic that you like. You will post a lot of videos, you will get views, and you will earn money from YouTube AdSense. You can sell your own courses, you can sell your own product, you can sell affiliate product, you can sell something that there is on Amazon and sell it inside your YouTube video. You can review some type of technology or some sort of service and earn money for that. So you can start a business worldwide and you can make a ton of money because there is no limit with this business model. Then the second idea, it's about Instagram consulting. Pretty much you need to create an Instagram page for your industry, for your topic. Let's say for example that you are a copywriter. Okay, you create an Instagram page that you show other people that you are good at copywriting and you are a very professional copywriter, and then you do coaching and consulting to other people that want to become copywriter. You give them tips, you give them training, exercises, you teach to other people how to become a great copywriter, and you make them pay you, for example, $100 an hour by doing a simple video call where you explain to them everything that you know. And you can create a structure, for example, for a month you have 3 times video call, or you can create 1-year package. You can do whatever you want, and especially you need to show the skill that you are good at it. If you're not good with copywriting, show something else, but show something that you know about the topic and where you are a professional. The business idea number 3 is to go on Fiverr and become a freelancer on Fiverr.com. This website is a website where a lot of people go there to find service and to provide service. Because let's say for example that I am a business owner and I need someone that creates me a graphic for my door in order to advertise my product and my business. Okay, I go on Fiverr, I look for graphic designers, and then I sort and I search for the right person, and I will give them money. It can be $50, $100, $200, $5,000 in order to create me that graphic. And then once I have the file, I go to the local printer and I print and I put it on the door. This is just a simple example, but if you go on Fiverr.com, you will see that you will find a ton of people that provide good services, and you can start today creating your service. For example, on Fiverr, I have done it myself. I have created some workout plans for people and I was selling those plans for $5, and some people have bought my plan, and I've created a PDF, easy, medium and hard, for people to train at home without equipment but getting the results that they want. So now it's your turn. The idea number 4 is to become a personal trainer online. This it can be good for you only if you are a personal trainer or if you have a really great body, a really great shape, and just if you know about health, about fitness, about diet. Because if not, this is not the business model for you. But for example, a lot of people ask me what they need to eat, what training should they do, what type of muscle they need to grow first, and some other stuff. And for example, I have learned a lot and I've completely changed my body in the past years. And now people ask me, and if I want, I can create a Instagram page, a Facebook page, a YouTube channel around my personal training service, and then sell that to other people by doing coaching calls and giving them the right meal plan and workout plan to follow in order to get their results. The next idea, it's about being a video editor, because right now and in the future, video will be the main form of communication. As you can see, TikTok is just videos and is the trending social right now. Even on Instagram there are a ton of videos, and YouTube is complete videos. And by focusing on this skill, you will be sure to have a lot of demand for your service. And if you can become a really good video editor, you can pretty much hang out and help with success people that are doing video, and you help them, so you will really get in a good network of people. Then the idea number 6 that I have said in the beginning is social media marketing agency. This is my business. This is what I do and what I am doing on the past 3 years. And this made me a lot of money, made me a ton of connections, made me completely change my mindset and become an entrepreneur. And right now I am here, I am working from home, I have my own business. Some months I make 5-figure money, and that it cannot be a lot maybe to you, but for me it's a really big step since I've started from completely zero scratch. And this is one of the best business models that I can advise to you, because you can scale it, you can work from home, and there is demand. A ton of businesses does not have a great website, a great social media. They are not doing business online and they are missing a ton of clients. So for me, this idea is the best one. Then the idea number 7 is become a translator. If you know more than one language, you can translate stuff. For example, I know Italian, it's my main language, and then I know English. English is not perfect and I cannot become a translator because I don't know all the words. But if I need just to translate a simple text or to speak in English or do simple stuff, I can do it. But if you are more professional, or if you are at school and you are studying the language, you can easily, very easily become a translator. You can go on Fiverr, you can open your Instagram account, you can do it by word of mouth, you can do whatever you want to promote your service, but just do it. Then the small business idea number 8 is to become a photographer. You can start with something simple. Start going out and find people on the street and take picture of them. Call a few friends and take a good picture of them. And then from there you will start to have a great Instagram page with all your high quality picture. And from there you can start getting clients, for example, wedding clients, for example, influencers, for example, people that are in high society and need professional picture for maybe magazines or for social media. Then you can see that every single person can become a potential client. And by doing that, you can pretty much start your business from zero. You just need to buy a camera that you need to spend just around $500. You will already have something really good, and then go on the marketplace and start providing your service. And then the next and last idea is to become a travel planner, because travel planner, yes, it can be hard, but at the end it's not so hard. You just need to organize everything, know the prices, know the location, and you need to travel a lot, because you cannot tell to people where to go, for example, in Spain, if you have never been in Spain. So by doing that, you will have the chance to travel a lot by work, and you can share your experience on social media and create pretty much a map of travel, point A, point B, point C, and sell that map with all the information of the hotel, the travel, the cost to other people. So you have already a plan, and the people need just to choose the right plan for them. And I live in Switzerland, and if you want to move to Switzerland, or if you just want to know how much money I spend every month here in Switzerland, watch this next video right here where I show you all my monthly expenses in Switzerland. I see you there.